What if you were overlooked for a job promotion? What would you normally say? I will never make it. Or something on a brighter note. You know, I could have more time to spend with my family, even develop other interests. Any ideas on what our topic is for today? Keep watching. Let me show you now. Waiting for the content. It's coming, it's coming. Hi everyone, Raven here with another DIY health video with Wildwood Lifestyle Center. Winston Churchill once said, "A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, but an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty." In contrast to pessimists, optimists believes troubles are transitory, they're limited, and they are manageable. Pessimists, they see troubles and problems as inevitable and ever-present. But look, our attitude and our outlook greatly influences our health. So let me show you how. First, optimistic people are more likely to incorporate healthier lifestyle practices such as no smoking, more physical activity, and the consumption of fruits, vegetables, and whole grain breads. I know, right? Secondly, our outlook on life helps to shape our immune efficiency. Therefore, pessimism reduces the efficiency of the immune system. On the other hand, optimism improves the ability of natural killer cells to destroy viruses, cancer cells, and other suppressors of the immune system. Researchers at the University of California discovers that optimistic perspective breaks the negative effects of stress on the immune system in individuals without cancer. And in women who have breast cancer, optimism with social support also helps to regulate some of the immune suppressing effects from stress. Third, optimism primes mental health. For example, optimistic individuals reported to have higher quality of life, a better engagement with active coping, and more health promoting behaviors than those individuals who scored low in optimism. Now, I bet you didn't know all of that about optimism. So tell us, how do you keep yourself positive? Tell us in the comments below. We would love to read your tips. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our DIY Health channel to get more videos. See you next time. Bye. Our tailor-made depression recovery program helps people to defeat depression. Life can be meaningful and enjoyable. If you want to know more, visit us at wildwoodhealth.com. We would love to see you here.